wrap the leader around the tippet. 4, 5, 6 times. Tuck the end between the lines. Tighten and trim. It's called a blood knot. Father taught you how to hunt. I'm gonna teach you how to fish.
Same thing, isn't it? One you stalk, the other you lure.
One you catch, the other you shoot.
What are you trying to catch?
One who caught you.
The one that got away.
When you catch a fish once and it gets away, it's a lot harder to catch again.
Everybody thinks you're lying about the one that got away.
So I have to catch him. Last thing, before casting a line, name the bait on your hook after somebody you cherish.
To say goodbye?
If the person you name it after cherished you, as the superstition goes, you will catch the fish.
Oh. And what did you name it?
Abigail.